Did you go back to Vienna?
I did go back to Vienna. I visited my baby nurse, and I think maybe her parents even were still alive. Vienna was never bombed, but it was hit by artillery, so it looked pretty bad, but not like Hamburg. And one thing they did, the Stephansdom, the main church in the center, had a beautiful multicolored roof, which everybody knew and I knew as a child. And that had been hit with artillery and was beaten up when I came there. And the whole thing looked pretty beaten up. But so I spent a week or two with his, and my mother had left her jewelry with his baby nurse family, and we got it back. I mean, it was nothing big box, but it was family property. And the daddy of my baby nurse had a stamp collection which had some value. And the Russians were the ones who occupied Vienna immediately after the war. Rather, the Americans and the Russians divided the area, but at the beginning, and a lot of those Russians had been fighting ferociously for years and were in no mood to be nice. So they just walked into people's houses and took valuables. It had nothing to do with politics. And so there was some danger that the stamp collection and my mother's jewelry would be stolen. So they were not ultimately, but what the daddy of my baby nurse did was to take an ash pot, fill it with ash most of the way, put his stamp collection, our jewelry, and then another layer of dust, of sand or whatever, and covered it. And they never actually opened it, but it seemed like a very clever move. And so we're able to clean it up and take it back to the U.S.